Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about capitalize method. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. You know that the capitalize method is a part of modify strings in Python. The capitalize method returns a string where the first character is uppercase and the rest is lowercase. Then, the most important thing that you have to remember is the first character will be in uppercase, whatever the words you make. Okay, for syntax, I want to type in my screen. Let us see my screen. So it is for syntax. For syntax, string dot capitalize it run brackets. And for parameter values, there are no any parameters. For example, okay, I will make many example in my screen. First example, txt equals hello. This is phrase, and x equals txt dot capitalize, and then print x. Okay, you can see that h is in uppercase and the others are in lowercase. The second example with another sentence, txt equals coding is wonderful. Now I want to type x as variable. X equals txt dot capitalize, run brackets, and print x. Okay, you can see the result. For the last example, I want to make an example with the number in initial words. Txt equals 24 is my age. Now I want to make a variable. X equals txt dot capitalize, print x. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.